Hello, we are Team 5. Today, we are going to talk about the ventilation system, including the characteristics of glass and UFAD used in Apple Park, and then we'll talk about the sustainability of the building. Steve Jobs hated air conditioning and loathed fans. He also didn't want people opening windows. He wanted natural ventilation, a building that breathes just like the people inside it. By using ventilated facade system and underfloor air distribution system, which is called UFAD, the campus was able to kept stable during the 9 months of the years without using extra heating and cooling system. So how Apple Park used ventilated facade system? Apple Park uses the world's largest pieces of carved structural glass. Foster and partners teamed up with German glass manufacturer Thiele and Sadock to fabricate the massive panels of the facade. This composition reduces the risk of injuries in case the glass breaks, increases the remaining load-bearing capacity of the laminated pane, and insulates the building at the same time. This composition reduces the risk of injuries in case the glass breaks, increases the remaining load-bearing capacity of the laminated pane, and insulates the building at the same time. The manufacturers built out a new tempering machine specifically for carving Apple Park's window panes at a rapid rate. The machine shown in the picture only processes a single pane at a time over 14 hours. Also, despite the single-layer design, the building incorporates automated operable windows and louvers within the glass facade. Sensors within the building detect environmental conditions and adjust the openings to optimize the airflow. They ensure a continuous supply of fresh air, improving indoor air quality. They also help expel stale air and pollutants. Not only the glass facade was used, but also another technique was used for ventilation system, UFAD. UFAD system is an abbreviation for underfloor air distribution system. It is an air distribution strategy for providing ventilation and space conditioning in buildings. It uses an underfloor supply plenum located between the concrete slab and an access floor system to supply conditioned air to supply outlets located at or near floor level within the occupied space. Air is delivered to the occupied space through diffusers and vents located in the floor. The diffusers often have adjustable grills that allow occupants to control the direction and amount of airflow, providing personalized comfort. By delivering air at the floor level, the UFAD system ensures that fresh air rises naturally, pushing contaminants and stale air upward and out through the ceiling or exhaust vents. The UFAD system takes advantage of the natural buoyancy of warm air, which rises and is removed from the occupied zone. This targeted approach is more energy efficient and can adapt to varying occupancy levels and activities within the building. This process reduces the load on the HVAC system, leading to significant energy savings. The system allows for localized heating and cooling, reducing the need to condition the entire space uniformly. They also use access floor with maintaining the temperature. The concrete in the floor and ceiling is embedded with tubes of water and is supposed to lock in a temperature between 68 and 77 degrees. Apple Park is famous for its ventilation system, but is also known for its sustainability. The building exhibits sustainability with its enormous state-of-the-art carved glass enveloped the interior, making great use of the natural daylighting. Sunshades articulating themselves as wall strips wrapped around the building can be repositioned to either deflect excess heat from the sun or to reflect more light into deeper spaces. The roof is completely clad with photovoltaic panels, which will produce electricity that will help to power the building. The roof holds 700,000 square feet of solar panels, enough to generate 8 megawatts of power. The campus also has climate-responsive technology. The windows and louvers will open or close automatically, letting in the right amount of light, wind, and fresh air to maintain a comfortable temperature. Light-wheeled atrium spaces are placed at regular intervals around the circle, creating dynamic entrances. Smaller light wells punctuate the office spaces, allowing natural light to penetrate the otherwise solid floor slab system. Apple is committed to using 100% renewable energy throughout Apple Park, with an emphasis on on-site generation from photovoltaics and fuel cells. In addition to the technologies described above, the main building features a radiant cooling system, LED electric lighting, green information, and other technologies that help Apple achieve its net zero energy goal.